SuperOps makes managing one-time contracts a breeze. Whether you're setting up a project-specific agreement or handling unique client needs, our platform helps you do it all quickly and confidently. Let's walk through the simple steps to create a one-time contract and unlock seamless service delivery and accurate billing. Start by heading to the Clients module from your SuperOps dashboard. Select the client you're creating the contract for and click the Add One-Time Contracts button. This opens the contract creation window where you'll configure two key sections, Basics and Application. Let's begin with the Basics section. This is where you define the core details of the contract. First, choose a package that you want to apply to this contract. By default, the unit price will be populated, but if you have different terms, no problem. Enable the Override Price checkbox to adjust it. Add a start and end date, and set a reminder to notify you before the contract expires. This ensures you stay ahead of deadlines. Next up, billing details. SuperOps offers flexible pricing models and quantity types to fit your client's needs. Choose if you want a dynamic pricing model. If you want a fixed pricing, then choose the quantity type, fixed or dynamic. If you chose dynamic quantity, choose for which group you want the contract to be billed. After you've configured these, we'll calculate the contract price for your reference. You can add discounts on top of this, and we will show you the discounted price. Now, let's move on to the subscription terms. Here, choose if you want to skip the billing queue and directly bill this contract. The Included Item section shows the services and products in the chosen package. From here, you can delete or add items. If the items are not mapped, directly map them to the delivery map right from here. Now, let's move to the Application section. This is where you define how the contract applies to your project. Start by selecting the project the contract is for. If needed, you can add override prices for the discount rate. You can also define if the products want to be auto-approved. Next, you can exclude items from the contract. These won't appear on tickets for work logs or product additions. Once you're done, hit Save. Your one-time contract is now ready to go.